I've just found an absolutely amazing brand new AI agent tool. Think of it like having the power of Claude Code, all the features of the viral OpenClaw without all the pain of setting all that stuff up. So this isn't any chatbot. You get an actual computer, like a full environment with a real terminal. And there's an AI agent that just does the work for you, like autonomously. You can literally give it any task, go away, take a nap, come back, and the work is done. It's called HappyCapy. It's powered by Claude Code under the hood, and I'm going to show you what it can do because I think this is really important. Let's have a look. Okay, so a little bit of context here. If you've been following this stuff, you've probably heard of Claude Code. Most people use Claude Code on their desktop, so they need to download it here. This is the web version that basically it goes off and does stuff, basically. That's what it does. You can select a code base and then go off and make changes, but it is difficult to see what's actually happening to your code. It is really powerful because it's really good. The problem is it's a terminal tool, so you have to install it. You need to be comfortable with the command line. So for developers, this is absolutely awesome, but for non-developers, this is a bit of a problem. And then there's OpenClaw, which is also absolutely amazing because it actually does things for you, right? It's an AI agent powered also by Claude, but it's got these extra little features that make it, really powerful. We'll talk about that in a minute. But what if you're a marketer or a salesperson or someone who's a bit technical, but not this level of technical? Well, today we're going to be looking at a tool called HappyCapy. And I mean, this looks like ChatGPT, but remember, every time you start typing here and press enter, you open up a new desktop. So you have your own computer and there's no need to install anything. We'll show you exactly how it works now. So as this is based on Claude Code, it basically is set up so that you can do all of the things that developers use Claude Code for, like stacks. So you can have like different instances all working at the same time on different problems. And the skill store, this is like really important. It's Claude skills. So Claude basically has all of the knowledge in the world, right? It's able to do everything. But when you have that much context, it's kind of hard to do things repeatedly. You want to have a process and you want to repeat it over and over again. And that's something that can be quite difficult to do with AI. So what you do is you create a skill, and that's what people have been doing, especially in marketing, tons of skills for tiny little tasks, right? What you need to do, but you give Claude specific instructions so that it knows what to do. And then you add on your prompt on top of that to kind of, personalize it a little bit as well. So here are some of the featured skills, but you also have all of the skills that are open source online. So you can basically search any skill here to create anything or build anything that you want. Let's say you want to use VO, for example, then you can use, VO from OpenClaw, so generate videos. And this is all included in HappyCapy. So you've got your API costs and everything included in the price. So there's no need to think about installing APIs or anything like that. This is all saved. So you've just got tons and tons of skills here. So let me show you exactly how it works, because I feel like with an example, you will really get this. Okay, so first you just kind of need to think what it is exactly you want. So in this case, I want an AI marketing video. So I'm going to install this skill. Okay, now I can see my skill has been installed. So I can just go down over here to generate video skill. And now this is going to make me a video using VO with the skill prompt already set up. So I just need to describe exactly what I need, and then it's going to make me the video. Now, the cool thing about this is actually is able to edit the videos as well, which is absolutely insane. So you can even just chat with it and make, I had one little mistake in the video that I made, and then I just prompted it, said, there's a spelling mistake. Can you please change that? Okay, so I just said, make me a UGC style video that promotes my AI tool to practice speaking English with AI called VivaLingua.ai. Now, I don't actually have an idea of what I want to make, but this will actually come up with the idea itself. Okay, you can choose all the different models. So if you're on the cheaper plan, you can use this Minimax, it's free, or you can use any of the Claude models, which obviously work best with Claude Code. I'm going to use Opus 4.5 for this. So now we basically have Claude Code, and how Claude Code usually works. It creates its to-do list and then just starts ticking off all the things on its to-do list. And basically we'll have a folder up here with all our outputs then after it's done. Okay, so you can see if I put this prompt into any other tool or something, it would just create the UGC video. But you can see because we have a skill here, we have a to-do list of generating the hook scene, the CTA scene, generate the voiceover. It's breaking down everything based on my AI marketing skill. Well, it's not my skill. I took it from the open source OpenClaw skills. Again, so this is just running now. This is going to do this for me. I can create another desktop and do something else while this is doing so. You can see it's on green here, so the desktop is working. So one of the features that OpenClaw is going so viral for and why it became so popular so fast is because it also has this ability to go off and repeatedly do things. So that's kind of like, so that's really, really amazing. So they also have this section here, which is an automation. So this kind of allows you to do that. You can set your own automation, right? So anything that you might need to do on a weekly basis or a daily basis, you can just, set it up here, select the desktop that you're working on, and then set the schedule. So then you can just get it sent to you by email. So it just runs automatically. So I've been testing this out. So each HappyCapy has its own email. You can just go to settings here and set it up in your Cappy mail. So basically I can just send myself emails whenever I want with my automations. So I just set it up. So at any point I can just send an email to my Cappy mail AI agent and it's going to respond back to me. So I could just say, send me the price of SoundHound AI right now, and it's going to email me that back. But I can also use this as a kind of an inbox that just sends me updates on whatever it is that I want, if I want them regularly sent. So you can see that it just sends me like an email back with the information. Always says warmly, Cappy, this is my AI agent now I can send an email to at any point, and it's going to give me some information. So the amount of things that you can actually do with this is just basically whatever's in your mind. So for example, I built a Chrome extension yesterday. So basically it's called a Focus Buddy. So I can just start a call with an 11 Labs agent, and then the 11 Labs agent knows exactly where I'm going, what websites I'm visiting. So it will tell me if I'm going to YouTube or x.com or something that's distracting me from my work. It will trigger a conversation with my AI agent that reminds me that I should be working. So it just shows you the amount of things that you can build with this. So you can also build slides as a web experience, right? Okay, and it also asks me questions now. So I'm going to say, I'm going to say confident. So it's asking me questions to see just what exactly I want. Okay, so it made me a fully interactive slides, 3 slides. This is obviously just to test it out. You can see that it's fully interactive here. So let's go back and check our UGC video here. Because the cool thing about this is oftentimes they're not perfect from the first time, but we got a 23-second video here, which is pretty amazing because even if you're using VO3, I think it is at the moment, you can only really get 10 seconds or something like that. But because we're using this agent, it's piecing together and editing the film for us. So we can just make any changes that we want here and just ask it to change it, right? And we can see exactly what it did here. In terms of pricing, well, there's the free one just to get started with an agent native computer, right? And you get the Minimax model to actually do things. But obviously, you'll probably need a paid plan to do a lot of the powerful stuff, right? So you can start off with the $20 a month plan. So there's the $20 a month plan, and you've got 2,000 credits. So you will be able to do quite a bit of what I'm seeing here, including, videos and stuff like that. You're not going to be able to make hundreds of videos, of course, with this plan. But then you can see with the $200 plan, if you're really into this stuff, like I am, you can get unlimited access to Claude Code, unlimited access to all the skills, right? And this is all the API keys. So this is really, really amazing that you can do so much, like the email quota, basically do everything really that you need with this max plan. So yeah, of course, $200 I think is a good plan for this AI agent. And there's other features coming too, I've heard. So there's like agent teams. So it's like you can run multiple agents that all talk together at the same time. So we're really getting into this sci-fi world, really. Then there's also going to be a mobile app where you can just chat with HappyCapy on your phone. So look, I've tested a lot of AI tools on this channel, and yeah, most of them are pretty good and have certain features, but I've never seen one that can do as many things as this one. So if you are kind of worried about using like OpenClaw or these tools or Claude Code, well, all of these are based in a sandbox, so you can't leak any of your information out. And then the skills is the thing that makes it genius, because skills are a way of just using the power of Claude Code that like is just ridiculously good at doing many tasks, but trying to like focus it in on a certain task. So use all the open source skills that people have been creating, or even just ask and create your own. So I'll leave HappyCapy down in the description if you want to try it out. Let me know in the comments if you would use an AI agent like this, how you are getting on with using AI agents. Are you a bit overwhelmed, or is this kind of something that makes it a bit simpler for you? That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.